Hi everyone, here we are going to see the IVTube calibration of Infomax. Before enter into the calibration, ensure that there is no air bubble inside the IVTube. So first we have to do priming by long press the bonus key. Now I have removed all the air bubble inside the IVTube and we are going for IVTube calibration. In this video we are going to see about adult IVTube calibration. See, I have taken the adult IVTube and I kept adult in the machine and we need to change it to ml per hour. We need to take the 5 ml empty syringe and we have to keep the flow rate of 60 ml per hour. I have kept the flow rate of 60 ml per hour. Now the flow rate is set. Pull out the empty syringe up to 5 ml. Now we have to insert the IV tube end into the syringe. Like this we have to insert and disable the set button. Then long press the run stop key to clear and then run. See, now the liquid has fallen into the syringe. Now see, the drug is going to finish. So while the syringe has filled, just press the run key to stop the pump and press the target key. Here you can see the elapsed drops as 66. We have collected 5 ml, so the target elapsed drops is 66. So we have to divide the value by 5. 66 divided by 5, and the value is 13.2. Now we have to go into service settings by long press the increment and decrement key at a time. Service setting. See, here it's asking adult ml ratio. We have get the ratio of 13.2. So we have to keep the ratio here. 13.0. As a round off, we can keep the value as 13.0. And press the run stop key to save the value stored. Now we can check the accuracy after calibration. Same procedure. I have set the flow rate of 60 ml per hour and taken 5 ml empty and insert the IV tube into the empty syringe and long press the run stop key to clear and run the infusions. Now the drugs has entered into the syringe. Now see, the syringe is going to fill 5 ml. So it's filled. I just press the stop key. You can see 5 ml. And in machine also you can see that elapsed ml is 5 ml. Press the target key, you can see the elapsed ml is 5 ml. This is the IV tube calibration and accuracy testing method. And same we have to done it for PDA. If you haven't PDA IV tube, you have to change into micro IV, and then same ml per hour. You have to set the ml per hour 60 ml per hour. And run the machine. After collecting the 5 ml, same you have to long press the increment and decrement key. Here it's going into service setting. In service settings, first is an adult ml ratio, and then again press the set key. It moves into PDI ml ratio. Here you can feed the PDI ml ratio value whichever you have gotten. Thank you.